Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy today. On today's lesson, we'll be doing how to solve a permutation and combination problem. Right? This is the statement of the question in our question. Then you need to choose 5 different numbers from the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to create a password for your computer. All right. To create a password for your computer. And then our first question then becomes, how many different passwords are possible if the order of the number matters? So if the order matters, then this will be permutation if the order matters. Because the keyword here is the order matters. Order of the numbers matters. Right? If that case, then it will be permutation. So how many numbers are there? From 0 to 9, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 numbers. So we'll have, which means it's going to be 10 permutation 5. 10p5, which is equals to 10 factorial all over. Then it's going to be 10 minus 5 factorial, which is then equals to 10 factorial all over 5 factorial. This is how you solve it. So that one, it was a permutation problem. If you don't have a calculator, you can leave your answer here. If you are asked maybe to simplify it further, you can say it's going to be equals to, you can simplify the equation further, which is going to be equals to, you can say 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. Then everything is divided by everything will be over 5 factorial. So the 5 factorial and 5 factorial will cancel each other. Then it will remain with 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. That's what you can have as your answer. You can simplify it like this. And then if you simplify it further. And then how many different passwords are possible if the order of the number does not matter? So if the order of the number does not matter, the order does not matter. The order again does not matter. If the order does not matter, it's a combination. So you can have it like this. It's going to be 10, 5, which is equals to 10 combination 5, which then is equals to, it's going to be 10 factorial all over 5 factorial times 10 minus 5 5. Then it will be factorial outside the bracket, and then which it's equals to 10 factorial all over 5 factorial 5 factorial. So this is how to solve these problems, the permutation and combination problem from a given statement. From this statement, you need to choose 5 different, because now we're using permutation 5 and combination 5 because they say, because of the statement, 5 different numbers from the set of 10 numbers, we're choosing 5. So it's 10 permutation 5 or 10 commutation 5. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe for more learning content on Online Education Academy ZA.